Imagine a tool capable of cutting through solid steel, concrete, rock, or even drilling several kilometers deep into the earth. At first glance, drilling may seem simple. A rotating drill bit creates a hole in a material. In reality, however, drilling is an extremely complex engineering process involving enormous forces, friction, heat, pressure, and precision mechanics. From small handheld drills to giant oil drilling rigs, the basic principle remains the same. Material is gradually removed through controlled rotation and force. But how does drilling actually work, and why is it one of the most important technologies in modern industry? At its core, drilling works by converting mechanical energy into cutting force. A drill bit rotates at high speed, while pressure is applied in the forward direction. As the cutting edges contact the material, they remove small portions of it layer by layer. Depending on the material being drilled, this removed material may appear as metal chips, dust, crushed rock fragments, or fine particles. The combination of rotational movement and axial pressure allows the drill to penetrate deeper into the surface. The drill bit itself is one of the most critical components of the entire process. There are many different types of drill bits designed for specific materials and applications. Metal drill bits typically use spiral flutes that help remove chips from the hole during rotation. Masonry drill bits contain extremely hard carbide tips and are often used with hammering action to break apart concrete or stone. In deep industrial drilling operations, specialized drill heads are designed to crush extremely hard rock formations far below the Earth's surface. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. One of the biggest challenges during drilling is heat generation. Friction between the drill bit and the material can create extremely high temperatures. If the bit overheats, it quickly loses sharpness, becomes damaged, or even breaks entirely. Because of this, industrial drilling operations often use cooling and lubricating fluids that reduce friction, remove heat, and help carry away material debris from the cutting area. What makes drilling so fascinating is its incredible versatility. The same basic physical principle is used in household power drills, automotive manufacturing, tunnel construction, mining operations, aerospace engineering, and deep oil exploration. Whether creating tiny precision holes in electronics or drilling kilometers underground for natural resources, drilling always depends on carefully controlling rotation, pressure, cutting geometry, and material removal. For drilling to work efficiently, high rotational speed alone is not enough. One of the most important factors is the balance between rotation speed, feed pressure, and the physical properties of the material being drilled. Different materials respond very differently during the cutting process. Softer materials such as wood or plastic can usually be drilled at high speeds with relatively low force. Harder materials like steel, titanium, concrete, or rock require much greater pressure, specialized drill bits, and carefully controlled operating conditions. When drilling metal, one of the biggest challenges is chip evacuation. As the drill bit cuts into the material, it continuously removes small metal fragments that must be transported out of the hole efficiently. This is why most metal drill bits use spiral flutes running along the length of the bit. During rotation, these flutes carry chips outward while also allowing cooling fluid to reach the cutting edges. If chips accumulate inside the hole, friction and temperature increase rapidly, potentially causing the drill bit to seize or break. Drilling concrete and stone introduces an entirely different problem. Rotational cutting alone is often insufficient because mineral-based materials are extremely hard and brittle. Hammer drills therefore combine rotation with rapid forward impacts. Instead of only cutting the material, the drill bit also fractures it through repeated microscopic hammering action. This dramatically improves penetration speed in concrete, brick, and stone surfaces. In modern industrial manufacturing, drilling processes are often performed by CNC machining centers capable of extremely high precision. These machines automatically control spindle speed, feed rate, cutting pressure, and cooling systems based on the material and hole geometry. Some industrial drilling systems operate with tolerances measured in micrometers, allowing them to produce highly precise holes required in aerospace engineering, automotive manufacturing, and electronics production. The material used to manufacture the drill bit itself is equally important. Ordinary steel would quickly lose hardness under extreme friction and heat. For this reason, industrial drill bits are commonly made from high-speed steel, tungsten carbide, ceramics, or even diamond-coated materials. In highly demanding applications, such as mining and oil drilling, cutting tools must survive enormous pressure, vibration, abrasion, and temperature for extended periods of time. One of the most technologically demanding forms of drilling is deep drilling used in oil extraction, natural gas production, and geological exploration. While a handheld drill may create a hole only a few centimeters deep, industrial drilling rigs are capable of penetrating several kilometers beneath the Earth's surface. Some of the deepest boreholes ever created extend more than 10 kilometers underground, where temperatures and pressures become extremely severe. The entire drilling system operates using a long drill string made of connected steel pipes. At the bottom of this drill string is the drill bit, which crushes and cuts through underground rock formations. Massive drilling rigs on the surface either rotate the entire drill string or power specialized motors located deep inside the well itself. As drilling progresses, enormous amounts of crushed rock must be continuously removed from the hole, otherwise the well would quickly become blocked. This is where drilling fluid, commonly called drilling mud, becomes essential. Drilling mud is a specially engineered fluid pumped down through the drill pipes toward the drill bit, and then returned back to the surface through the space surrounding the drill string. This fluid performs several critical functions simultaneously. It cools the drill bit, lubricates moving components, carries crushed rock fragments out of the well, stabilizes the walls of the borehole, and helps control underground pressure. Pressure management is one of the most dangerous aspects of deep drilling. Deep underground formations may contain fluids or gases under enormous pressure. If this pressure is not controlled properly, oil or gas can erupt violently to the surface in an event known as a blowout. To prevent this, drilling rigs use highly advanced safety systems, including blowout preventers, massive hydraulic valve systems capable of sealing the well almost instantly during emergencies. Modern drilling technology has also evolved far beyond simple vertical wells. Directional and horizontal drilling now allow operators to steer wells sideways deep underground. Instead of drilling only straight downward, engineers can precisely guide the drill bit through underground formations over long horizontal distances. This technology revolutionized oil and gas extraction by making it possible to access much larger underground reservoirs from a single drilling location. Although drilling may appear to be a purely mechanical process, it is actually an extremely complex interaction between physics, material science, thermodynamics, and precision engineering. One of the biggest technical challenges during drilling is vibration. As the drill bit rotates at high speed while cutting against resistant material, oscillations and instability can develop throughout the system. These vibrations reduce accuracy, increase tool wear, and in severe cases, can cause catastrophic failure of the drill bit or surrounding machinery. Heat generation is another major issue. Friction between the cutting edges and the material can create extremely high temperatures at the contact point. If this heat is not removed efficiently, the drill bit may lose hardness, deform, or wear out rapidly. Industrial drilling systems therefore rely heavily on cooling and lubricating fluids that flow directly toward the cutting area. These fluids reduce friction, absorb heat, and help transport chips or crushed material away from the drilling zone. Precision is critically important in many industries. In aerospace manufacturing, medical engineering, and electronics production, holes often must be drilled with tolerances measured in micrometers. Even tiny deviations can create major performance or safety problems. Modern CNC drilling systems therefore use advanced sensors, laser measurements, and computer-controlled positioning systems capable of continuously adjusting speed, pressure, and alignment in real time. In construction and mining operations, entirely different engineering challenges appear. Tunnel boring machines and large industrial drilling systems must survive extreme mechanical loads, highly variable rock hardness, underground pressure, and constant abrasion. Massive tunnel boring machines may contain rotating cutter heads equipped with dozens or hundreds of cutting tools, capable of crushing rock continuously for months during major infrastructure projects. Modern drilling technology is increasingly integrated with automation and artificial intelligence. Sensors monitor vibration, temperature, pressure, cutting forces, and tool wear continuously during operation. Software systems can predict failures before they occur and automatically optimize drilling parameters based on real-time material resistance. This makes modern drilling faster, safer, more efficient, and significantly more precise than ever before. At its core, however, the principle of drilling remains surprisingly simple. A rotating cutting tool combined with controlled force gradually removes material and creates a hole. From this relatively basic concept emerge technologies capable of penetrating solid rock deep underground, manufacturing ultra-precise mechanical components, and supporting much of the infrastructure of modern civilization. Drilling is a perfect example of how physics, material science, and engineering can combine to create one of the most powerful and versatile industrial processes ever developed.